Well, Jerry East, from Shula Dermagin in this as Tan Law Magalore, that's a sort of Moorilach. It's decent weather, but it's showery. Like so here in Nishmia and it's in the cloudy Sartorcha. You can hear it's in moor, you can see a moor shower in the distance. Shula Jatala Shakailin Bug, it's a boom pram. And then the sunny and Shin Fresh and Massany. Shula's guided. Man, we'll make our margin where it's in the bicycle start. I like to go out from the warden before the bikes. But we killed the line to. It was quiet for a few days, Mother and Aimshire. We droch Aimshire on there. Well, let's in the car, go to stay go hard. My friend here more on Torresuri heart, more on Striker heart. We had about 3 or 4 days of very poor weather. Unusually poor weather for end of August, early September. This is our suckerish. It's kind of stabilised a bit, thankfully, the weather. So, well, they've got to about Bosch to force you still get a bit of rain and that, but the wind. That'd be golly on me. See the Carrigal line to go golly. It was 3 or 4 days of gales. Gales are near gale force winds. Marshratama Sasta, Nimalum nice a high agus of Ostachal into Sunnitchin. And the Camborne, it's a Vimurich and Harta Janumadahan. You can see there was a shower there about 10-15 minutes ago. I'd say Camborne going over. Camborne. And I couldn't remember shoe in the shagus. Now, Niakamain starts to rat television cart, but I haven't watched any proper television show series for about a month now. Mal Shah. Been with Japan or cartoons and this time fad. Pixar, DreamWorks, the machine. Kung Fu Panda, Lilo and Stitch, Ruddy Machine, Mulan, Niels Kimage, Skunanta. Jarmuch at the mermaid's gone to Ficam Lebanon Meanish. We haven't watched any proper television, just watched. Say, Panda, just see the Kung Fu Panda. Panda, Macarly. So, we very much been on Line of Duty, which are say sort of 3 I think we're on season 3 of Line of Duty. Been our Gololo or Sra cartoons or so Danish. The Solam and brand of Line of Duty. No Mels, Malama. I like Line of Duty. As I said, we're on season 3. Michael Hogue says we're on, O'Shea says, I think it's 5 or 6 seasons. So I'm looking forward to finishing that. Because Tamad John Nashkel. I can just my Grimer of own. Elmo fresh. No, so it's a cool car intach. An app, app, cool car. Agus sin ta cool car go jam an oak thing oak. And we'll see sha. Agus sha ta galore ta Elmo Tihailge ta Curious George Fisrach Tihailge Scoloro the Yelagus being which brand were in Angel agus she's ain't ta go raw gail gan in this ta galore round the gail yes ma have ni smooth farchai gailge cartoons that American no sas not for Yelagus that's the gailge ta ain't just saying there, we watch loads of television shows with her now on Cooler Cat. We have an Android box, TV box thing, and it's the app is on there, so handy to tell you, because we watch it there. So Curious George or George Fisrach, Elmo, and there's loads of other mainstream television shows from America and UK and elsewhere. I just translated to Gaeilge, to Irish. Dubbed in Irish, I should say. But that's actually intach. I guess Civile Curious, Civile George Fisrach, I guess Elmo. I guess and even the law of other guys are thursach nice the Cunella camera look up on them at the phone. Like the phone isn't very heavy. But when you have your arm sheeny mach extended for minutes at a time, it doesn't be long, getting kind of a bit tired. But I couldn't remember a couple of them at I'd go on for another few minutes anyway. I guess I'm going to charge in our Carker, Trotchach, Carker Trotchach, Paul Trotchach, yeah. And you can see in the smell in the distance there. I guess it's more sunny and chin fresh, more sunny. So go out now, Putchachy. Putchachy is blackberries. So there's lots of Putchachy, as you can see, chin. And all Putchachy, that's a Putchachy, blackberries. Or smear dove as the kaijanta. That's how much Putchachy. Sha Macaulay. That's how much Putchachy, so. I think that the file and it's near the clock. See the seagull there on the clock. But while Mara, as I was saying, I'd like to finish Line of Duty. So if you have any suggestions for me to watch something, Martin multi-yagi hum really le brand with. No, Martin podcasts. If you have any podcast recommendations, Engailge no Merla, or computer games, video games you'd like me to check out, I could do a little, give my thoughts. Not necessarily a review. Ni reviewer me. I'm not a ni imagine a lerva sach jetten. Well, jetten sach mo het tweede me hoort. Jetten mo het tweede me hoort. Fuck much in second. So we're up to the car shift. Shamari Mara, my V9 multi-agri home. If you have any recommendations for any podcasts, Irish, English language, Gaelic Nuberla, films, Scoline, or Sra television, it's also much to me a horch. That's by the other YouTube, which are then that was to me a horch. Come on, Cassadashin, smell there. Come on, Bruchan, breakfast, porridge, leche. You know, the Halim, but Kinnertony, come on, Kinnertony. Be sunny, get Canale, Atashulach. Does a shot show in the charted Phenomat, it's about a 20-minute walk. So, Jonathan Grow, I'm not telling who's to make a dish in this journey, I'm able to bring Sunny out. This journey, by the heart of the coog, was it? I've been on digging a macho who a fresh night, but Sunny wanted to go on there, but by the time I'm back, it'll be a 20-minute walk, so that should suffice. Jonathan Grow, it'll suffice, it'll do the job. Jonathan no Grow. And, so Ellen Hodgins, good for you, and Ellen Mac. Broga, Macaulay, small liquids, Broga sponge, going, she likes showing off her shoes. Broga, Macaulay. I'm going to have my camera on the sun, the shot, Agus, she's been sick up in a hull of and that's what she has pretty much every morning is leche, bruchan. She's panda, the Jersey Nana, la panda. As I said, just an awful long ago, Be jam hang, go many fresh, nimi jam hull of I have porridge myself. Often, not every morning, but often. Come I kept my toast, I'm not so focus, better peanut butter or the kids. Shouldn't Sam Hayden in this year. Kind of Sam, I give him off the chin, good hearted. Was it be easy, Miss breakfast? Rice and more. So, and I have a big enough breakfast. And that keeps me going then until around 3 or 4 o'clock in the late afternoon, sometimes even 5 o'clock. So I like having a big breakfast. It keeps me going for a good while. So well near going lane or the around I read Marathurs my Matay Multagli home. Cinema mo yell was told my horse, however, I guess I think the Sinbad Doolin, Chief, I was in this Zoom. It's an echo, Bad Doolin, Chief. A near is from west. Sam Macaulay, a near from west. So. A near Oinishmaun, as a chin, and Ned Kundachlaw, well, and if you Kundachlaw kill a chin, can't see the Kunda County Clare there, but come east from Clare, come west from Inishmael. But at the bar the chat near. And if I come with the chin, near Glen or the Laram fold. So, Kirklow, Slanga fold, Marsha, one pain, Kylie Bug, like a sunny Slanga fold.